This is Bumblebee. Bumblebee is a hybrid paper airplane. It can fly really far and sort of slowly. Also, it can turn into other paper airplanes as well. Like you can fold these parts to change the paper airplane into Dagger or Dagger X. First, you fold your sheet of paper like a square. That goes up to the corner. So that the top edge goes down onto the edge. Now do the same on the other side. Unfold, flip it over, fold in down the center, or fold so that it covers the point where those two lines meet. And line it up. Then flip it back over and then press the center until it squishes, sort of. After that, fold these corners up, only the first layer, up to the top. This one's not going to be a fold. Take the top and then push it down to the bottom and then just make a tick mark in around the center. Then fold the nose to that tick mark. And then unfold. And then fold those back again. And then fold like this. So that you get sort of like a backwards facing kite shape in the center. Unfold both of those again and then fold up only the first layer so it connects with these 2 points. Oh, and you're not supposed to fold all the way across. And then push it back like that on these 2 lines here. And then it won't want to stay up. Push this part down and then just push these parts down. And then open it up, sort of. And then fold like this. And then continue the fold on the other part section. And then push that around the triangle that you made. So now you should have something that looks sort of like this. Now you want to fold the nose down on that fold that you made earlier. And then make a new crease starting over right here under the triangle, and it goes all the way to the edge of the paper. And do that on both sides. And then flip those and reverse them. You want to reverse those under the rest of the plane. And then fold it in half. And then tug on these and push them as far down as they would go. Or like create a crease between this top point and where it would stop, which is the edge of the triangle that you made sort of recently. And then do the same on the other side. Push it up and then squash fold it down. So this part that it was folded on is the edge. And then this part is the top. And then just slide it around maybe until the tip of the squash fold lands on the other one, and then just fold it back. And then do the same on the other side. After you finish those, you open it up and then take the middle part, and I like to pinch it for this part and then just push it down on what was the edge of the squash fold over here. So now you get something that looks sort of like that. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now fold it up pretty much as high as it can go. Try to leave a little bit out after the right triangle over here. Try to leave a little bit out. Like that amount would be good. Around. And then do the same on the other side. Just fold it so their tips match. And then fold that along the edge of the triangle. And do the same on the other side. So now what you're doing is just creating a teeny weeny flap over here. Push those down halfway. If you want, you can do that now or do it later. I prefer to do it later, but I actually prefer to put it down like that. And then fold along this big edge over here to create the wings. And then flip it over, do the same wing on the other side. Open it up, and open up the little arms. And then you have a finished Bumblebee plane. You can also add a little bit of up elevator if you want. That can help a lot. This is how you change Bumblebee into Dagger. You can unfold the wings to make it easier. You want to squash fold the Bumblebee parts. What would be the arms, and then fold them back out so that it goes from one corner to the other corner. Flip it over and do the same on the other side, and then you just fold it down together. And then to turn it into Dagger X, all you have to do is unfold those a little until they turn into an X. And then you can fold your wings back down. Dagger is more of a dart, and it can go really high.